Semifinale emozionalmente non è mai facile, non è mai facile. Pensare in un risultato più grande.
Jose Mourinho, the head coach of the AC Roma Football Club, here says the secret behind their win today against Bayern Leverkusen is, of course, the statement that he had told his players that they have to control their emotion, they have to calm down, they have to play the ball, they have to touch the ball, they have to possess the ball. Of course, those are some of the words that he gave his players towards the game against Bayern Leverkusen, and at the end of the game, AC Roma secured the 3 points over them, as it was just one among of the difficult competitive match, as both sides touched the world of the ball, both sides played well the ball, and in fact, Jose Mourinho says it's time now to think about the next match of the Serie A, as they just want to win more games, they just want to win more titles, as in fact, Jose Mourinho wants his boys to, of course, respect their opponent. Jose Mourinho also wants his boys, his players, to respect their fellow players, due to the fact that football is just a sport of respect, and if you don't want to pay the respect of your fellow means the great possibility of losing the game. In fact, here also, Jose Mourinho continues to say that this season has been one among the fantastic and dramatic season, and it's one among of the dangerous and of course hard season on their side, as he is just trying to strive, he is just trying to move on with AC Roma, but things are seeming to be very difficult. But what they just want this season to see